designing a paper aeroplane. So you don't have to copy me. This isn't like a thing where you have to copy me. You can if you want, but I'm just doing it, you know. So yeah, I haven't got a small one. I've got a long one. So if you do want to copy me, it's gonna have to be a long one, like mine, like this. So, what I'm going to do for a thing, it's going to be an Easter-y, like, thing. So, seeing as we just passed Easter, we're going to make an Easter-themed thing. I keep calling it a thing, but it's actually an aeroplane. What colours have we got up here? I'll put the Easter bunny on it. Now, if you decide that you want to copy me, don't do anything yet because you don't know what I'm doing. Do this if you're copying me. You don't have to. Most probably won't. Like this. You colour. Now you need to get a pink colouring pencil. The lid. I just dropped the lid up there. Where is the pink? Okay, please don't get bored. I am almost finished. Just the eyes, and there we are. What we need to do is this. And next, once you've done that, you might have to pause the video here. Once you've done that, you need to get a very thin pencil. Like, you can have a pen, because I'm going to use a pen, but yeah. And then, I accidentally just took a picture. That's what I do. I always do that. And do that to the ears. Now, and then you need to colour in the ears a pink. I've got a very thick pink. Yes. I think it'll be easier if you use a really light pink. Like with a thin len. I don't even know. There, and then you just colour in. Actually, you don't. You could colour in your bunny's eyes any colour. You could do it green, blue, but I'm going to be colouring mine in dark blue. You can do it light blue. You can really just do it any colour. But just wait there a second. What you need to do next is colour in that bit whatever colour you've chosen. Now, I think I've kind of chosen the wrong colour. It made it look a bit Halloweeny, but it doesn't matter if it's Halloweeny, no. No, because it's Easter Bunny. Right. Now, if you want to mark where the ears start, you can put a line where, I don't even know. That's probably not a good idea anyway. colour in all the rest of it grey. Okay, before you do anything, you might have got the wrong idea of what I just said then. So don't do anything yet. Let me just do it. I did not think this through. By the way, guys, I am making this up as I go along, so it's probably not going to be 100% perfect. Okay, so with the floppy down here bit, I might just put a black line. See, I didn't think that through, did I? But you don't have to do that if you don't want. You can just colour, past it. Just don't put that black line there, but I put it there because I just want it to look floppy. So, then, and you colour in the rest of the thing grey, if you get what I mean. Like that. Now, you can draw some Easter eggs. So the first Easter egg is going to be a girly one. Don't worry, boys. I am going to make a boy one, after. But the first one's going to be a very girly one. So, draw a purple outline. Is that what you call it? Outline? I think so. Of a purple Easter egg. Now, it's not going to be so hard. Hi, Sass. It's not going to be too hard, I don't think. But, you need to do stars. Now, doing stars are not as hard as you think. I know, you have to draw a triangle, and then you can do it however you want. You're going to try your hardest to do a star, and just put stars all over the place on your egg. Like me, and then just colour them in. Now what we have to do is get an even lighter pink. If you don't have a lighter pink, just colour it in, I don't know, purple, I don't know.
Or this colour.
Yeah, that colour maybe. And then...
Or violet.
Or violet. The closest colour to light pink you're going to get. Thank you, Sassy.
You can't really see the stars.
Try your hardest to see them. And then you just need to fill it all in, all the background. Like this. Now we need to do the boy one. Now, what I was thinking was them to be overlapped. So for the boy one, oh god, that was a terrible egg. Kind of draw, if you know what I mean, do it overlapped. Alright, now what we need to oh, I'm like, where is this word? Is get a light green, one that, whoa, that is magic. Sassy, come here. Doesn't this look lighter than it looks on the camera? It looks like it's grey on the camera, doesn't it, Sassy? Isn't this way lighter than it shows? That is just creepy. Okay, so get a light green, not this. A light green. And then draw a cross with the green, like that. Now, before you do anything else, I need to do this before you do anything. There's not a cross that... do this. Oh. And do this. You can colour it in there and there if you don't want to do it those high sides. Now what you need to get is a yellow. No, a dark green, I'll say actually. I don't even know. What should we do? Get a red. Get a red. No. Get a yellow. I don't know what colour I want. Get a gold. Get a gold. If you don't have a gold, get a yellow. If you have a gold, use a gold. And then whoa. Do the colour the other ones in yellow. That's our boys right done. Now we need to try our hardest to kind of make one that's kind of in the middle. So get an orange pencil and do an orange outline. And again, make it overlapping the others.
And don't. She said pencil. Get a pen.
Yeah.
A pen, not a pencil.
It comes out better in pen. Now, we kind of need to make this look in the middle. I'm not sure how we're going to do this. Oh, I've got a good idea. You can use your idea for the next egg. Yeah? Yeah. That's... don't do anything yet, guys. And what was your idea for the next egg then? Just so you already have it planned out.
We have an egg.
Yeah.
And then we put a line through the middle of it.
Yes.
And then put a line through the top. The top to
So across.
I can show you my finger when you're doing my egg.
Okay, the idea that we're doing right now is that. So it's kind of like rainbow, all colours. It's going down like that. Hopefully that looks cool. Now, Sassy, what was your idea? Because I didn't.
We have an egg.
Yeah. What is our coloured outline? What's the colour going to be? Any colour, you could just choose off from there as well. Blue. Dark blue.
Orange. Because girls like orange and boys like orange.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So make an orange outline of an egg. There. That was also terrible. Okay. What do you want?
So put a yellow line in the middle.
Yeah? A yellow line in the middle. Yeah?
put lines into a quarter.
Yeah, so you mean a cross. I was right.
And then put one side of the egg
Yeah.
in grey and brown.
Grey and brown. Okay. So like this. So that says grey, and then you do brown there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like it can be a cross like that, or it could be there.
And then grey and brown. Aren't they? Okay. Aren't they not very nice colours?
Grey and no, grey and green.
Okay.
And green.
Grey and green. Yeah. What next?
Then on the other side,
Yeah.
pink.
Pink. Pink. And
Purple.
so, is that supposed to be the boy side? That's supposed to be the girl side.
Yeah.
Here we have our egg. You can copy. Yeah, you can pause that and copy it if you want. And that colour is down the bottom here is green. You can use a light green if you want. So they are all the eggs. But if you want to add more detail,
And if you want to add more eggs,
you can add more eggs if you want. But if you want to do more detail, please don't do anything yet, because you have no idea what I'm even doing right now, because I'm not doing an egg. Okay, so I've done it. Do this in the corner of the thing.
it's the sun.
Yeah, it's the sun. There. And then,
Some people might know how you do the sun.
yeah, some people draw the whole circle. Some people do it how I do it, like that.
I do circles and like that.
Okay, now this is complicated. It's a kite up close. Now, I painted this yesterday. It was epic. I thought it looked amazing. Where is
No, it was legendary.
it? I know. Okay, do you want to go and get it? Who's gonna? Okay, she's getting it then. Okay, so my idea was I'm going to black, and do a kite up close. So you do a diamond, or shall I say in a rhombus? That is the worst. Actually, let's not do it up close, because it's not going to work up close. I just ruined it.
We both done a kite. There's Jocelyn's kite. Here's my kite.
Yeah, that's Sassy's. It's very good. And okay, the bottom brown bit, and that's supposed to be a lake, and that's the bottom brown bit. And then there's a kite that's really really close there. That is epic, isn't it? Sassy, yours is legendary. Mine's also legendary. They're both legendary.
I got a diamond for the top.
I don't know. You can decorate your kite. I done mine in a really stupid way. Oh! She put my toes in my bedroom.
Hey, I'm sitting there.
Okay. Where do I put this?
I know. There.
Oh no! If Ollie comes in, he'll eat my food. Here. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want some bread and butter?
Yeah.
If you're wondering what time I'm doing this, I'm doing it in the morning. Right. And next bit we're going to be doing is really the funnest bit. We're going to be trying to fly it. And hopefully this goes past the screen. 3, 2, 1, go. Doesn't fly very well, does it? Bye, guys.
Fly the aeroplane again!
Bye.